Welcome. In front of me I have the Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. So you can see obviously that the phone right here is locked, and I can unlock it using the previously used PIN and obviously also the Google account, and you can see the tiny little icon right here that signifies that the device is locked. So give me a second, you can see there we go, there's the also Google verification. So anyway, I'm gonna back out to the network connection page right here, and what you want to do is from here you want to select number one, actually you want to connect to some kind of network, and then select from the bottom add network, and then in here, so we're looking for this button right here for the microphone. Let's select by using voice typing, select next. So it will pop up this button, this window right here to allow this, and what you want to do is actually deny. And then you're gonna do this again. Again, you're gonna deny. Once more. This should give us some different window. Let me see. Select deny and don't ask again. And now we can navigate to settings. So from the settings, we're gonna now go to permissions. So you wanna select that. Then you wanna tap on the search and type in Chrome. As you can see, it pops up right here. So it's selected. From here, select open, accept and continue, and no thanks. And then in the search bar of Chrome, you want to type in HardReset.Info/bypass. So like this, actually not like this, this is incorrect. Like this. So from here, let's go to the site, select consent, and then you want to scroll down to this option right here, screen lock set menu. Now it actually does have a text, we can barely see it right here. It's basically white on white, just the text is a little bit wider. So from here you can select PIN, password, or not now. So from here we're gonna select PIN, the first one. Hopefully you can see it. Once you select it, you can see you can type in your PIN. So I will select it to be something relatively simple, 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. I do advise you to use the same one. It's going to make the process a little bit easier when I'm typing it in. I can type the same thing in. So let's select next, repeat the same PIN, 1 2 3 4, confirm. And from here, let's see, we're gonna skip this. So what we can do now is go back here, select next, and what you can do now is basically use that pin that you have set up to unlock the device. So 1 2 3 4. Now if it doesn't work this time around, you can simply reboot the device and it should then work no problem. So 1 2 3 4, enter, and there we go. So now we can basically skip the setup of the device. Now I would still recommend you to maybe perform a factory reset of the device once you're done I'm done with the setup, so I'm gonna quickly finish it up and show you where you can find that option. Okay, so from here you want to navigate to your settings. You can actually find it. There we go, settings. Scroll down. So let's just close this. There we go. So settings, scroll down, and from here you want to go to System, Reset Options, Erase all data, Factory Reset, Erase all data, confirm your PIN, so again 1, 2, 3, 4, and then select again Erase all data. So this will then begin the factory reset of your device, and once the process is finished, the device will at that point be fully unlocked. Now unfortunately you will be back in the setup screen, but from there you can set it up however you like. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.